today we are gonna take you guys to the world's largest natural flower garden, which is Miracle Garden right behind us.
Yep, and we are also going to one of the most popular fruit spot here in Dubai, as well as art centers here. So let's go.
Let's go. Miracle Garden is one of the kind in the region and in the world for such a unique display and extravagant outdoor recreational destination. The floral structures are changed every season to ensure repeat visitors get a different experience each time they travel here.
Sipping whiskey, Hollywood Boulevard on a rooftop with my friends. Drinking my cash away with them again. As we celebrate tonight like it's the end of the world. I was drifting off in a bathroom stall. I know it's just from the alcohol. Blurry lines until you call. I crawl. I'm slipping out of a crowded room so I can end up next to you, sipping champagne in Malibu.
Just like a global village, this garden only opens about 6 months a year, starting from November.
Yeah. The Miracle Garden uses about 150 million flowers and plants from 120 different varieties, and especially some of those plants have never been cultivated in a Gulf region like this one. The entire area has a stunning number of 72,000 square meters, and the Miracle Garden is also a holder of 3 Guinness World Records.
So it is a garden of miracles.
Yeah, I would say so. So it's really hot today. The sun is really bright and shining as ever. But the good thing is though, inside the park or the garden, there's actually a lot of those shades designed for the visitors to take a break, to get away from the sun. It's pretty humane.
Wow, a huge flower dress.
Wow, I thought you were gonna say a huge clock made of Smurfs.
Sorry, I'm more interested in the dress.
Look, there's actually a retired Emirates plane that's covered in flowers and grasses, and the tail of it is actually in colors of the UAE flag.
And according to my research, it's an A380. There is a castle like the one in Disney, but you cannot actually go in.
Hey, can you just get 2 ice americano? Without sugar, please. Wow, it's so hot here. Definitely need some iced coffee to cool down a little bit.
And we're gonna try to find a shade to sit down.
Yeah. Make sure when you guys come, stay hydrated.
No wonder they are not open in summer, because you'll be melted.
Exactly.
Finally, we finished the garden. Are you ready for some food?
Yeah, pretty hungry now. Let's go and check out the Thai Mall market and see what they have to offer. Hey guys, so we're here at the Thai Mall market in the Al Baha Souk. So there are different shops in the market that you can choose food from.
I try to call you on a broken telephone, impersonate you on the line. feeling sober, but my head is spinning. Your eyes are heavy on my mind. Started a fire, got you in my lungs now. I learned to speak your native tongue.
We got some pho, Vietnamese pho. We got a dim sum platter from the
Long Teng Xuan.
from Long Teng Xuan, which is a Chinese restaurant. And we also had the mixed Arabic grill from Aloe Beirut.
California sunrise, it feels like I've been living inside a dream. Intoxicated by these feelings. Ooh, got me falling off track now. Sipping pretty when you're calling all the facts out. You and I put the music in the back when we park the car. Soon, you're gonna feel me in your own space. Nothing to it when we're moving at a good pace. You and I were never putting in a race, gonna run so far. Isn't it beautiful the way you look tonight? Some sort of magic in your eyes. A roll of thunder.
Hey, we just finished the lunch. So Time Out Market basically is a selection of restaurants selected by the magazine Time Out.
Yep, so when you come here, make sure you park in the Al Bahar Souk parking lot. You get a free 2 hours complimentary parking, but if you come and dine, then you get 4 hours of parking time for free.
Actually, there are several Time Out markets in the world, and it's like an upscale food hall.
Yeah, they basically just select the best restaurants in the town and put it in
All
this market.
together. Alright, where is our next stop?
Also, now we're all fed up. We're going to the Jamil Art Center.
Art! I don't know about art.
Well, that's all me, man.
Hey guys, we just arrived at the Jamil Art Center.
Yeah, so they're playing very peaceful music around the museum. Once you arrive here in park your car, it's like a different kind of vibe that they are giving to you. It's very calm and relaxing, and it's right by the waterfront. Sunset!
What were they thinking when they let us take you home? Could they not see the fear behind our eyes? You could fill up the Grand Canyon with the things we didn't know. We only knew our love for you was just as deep and wide.
Jamil Arts Center is an independent institution dedicated to exhibiting contemporary art to the public and engaging communities through learning, research, and commissions.
To be surprised. Sometimes a leap of faith is the best thing we can do. 'Cause if we wait until we're ready, we're never gonna move. So we listen to the music and take one step at a time, till we find that we're dancing through this one wild and precious life. Saw your first steps turn to running, then to scraped and broken arms. And we felt the winds of change begin to blow.
But if you guys like art, I'll definitely recommend the Louvre in Abu Dhabi. It's like 10 times better than here.
You're not supposed to say that. Well, art are the same. They have no values.
But I guess it's different because this is art center.
It's not for us. I'm not built for this.
The Louvre is like a museum, so
Yeah, you know.
it's actually different. So this art center is pretty small actually, but free of charge.
Yeah, I guess that's the highlight of this trip to this art center. they are exhibiting modern art, so you know.
Not everybody gets it.
I had no clue. For your artistic people though, check out this video and let us know about what you think and leave a comment down there in the comment section.
If your schedule is pretty tight, I don't recommend that. If you are interested in arts, now I would recommend that. Or if you want some places quiet and just chill, get away from crowded, then come here.
Yeah, this will be a perfect spot if you want to relax and chill. There's water out here. I think it's the Dubai Creek. There's a nice breeze here as well. You can just sit here and relax.
So we still got some time for tonight, but we're going to a supermarket. Which one are we going to?
We're probably gonna stop by one of the Carrefours at the mall. We're gonna stop by and get some meat for tomorrow because we're planning on going to barbecue for the day.
Sorry, I've been complicated. Small things hold me at gunpoint to make them inflated. Overreactions will tell me what to do. I wanna relax now, but I'm afraid you'll change your view. I don't wanna.
So here are some of the most traditional Arabic sweets. People love to eat it with some tea, some Arabic coffee. And this is probably the biggest Carrefour in the UAE, I would say. It's located in the Mall of the Emirates.
What's this?
I don't know, let's try. Wow. It's not too sweet.
It's not bad.
It's got a lot of pistachio on top and in the medium. It's not like a hard sweet. Okay, Barbecue Master is online, guys. So what we have here? So we have some Wagyu flank. So flank is actually really good for grill. It's really nice and tender and juicy, but it's not as highly complimented as ribeye or sirloin, different parts of the cow. But it's definitely nice to have. There's also, I guess, top side. So the top side is actually it's a little bit more tough compared to the ribeye area. Here we have a nice piece of Angus strip loin. This is probably great for the grill, but it's a little bit too fatty, no? T-bone. I think on one side you get the ribeye and on the other side you get the strip loin cut. So one steak you get two different cuts. So we got a classic strip loin here. We're not gonna, you know, just put some salt and pepper and put it on the grill. Not gonna marinate it with any sauce like Korean barbecue.
Everything for tomorrow?
Yeah, so just picked up everything from the Carrefour. All the meats, vegetables, ice, water. We're all set for tomorrow. Pretty excited for this grill out. Stay tuned, guys, for tomorrow's video.
And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, good night, guys.